Greeting gauge, everybody. This is Orbital Lance. I'm the Orbital Lancer, and it's time for another Playdate Season 2 game. Don't have much time, but I like to look at this one. I like the dog bone wrapping paper, and that's an interesting stamp. Long puppy. Long puppy. Why is it not... Hang on. Audio's weird. Testing. Okay, I think... Alright, let me just make sure it's not doing this. Okay, good. Long puppy. This is another one that I saw very briefly in the trailer for the season, which is probably going to be true for all of them. I don't know why I even mention it. But let's see Long Puppy. That puppy looks pretty short to me. If I'm being totally honest, that is a short puppy. I'm going to dismiss an alarm here so it doesn't go off in like 10 minutes. Don't mind me. Valuable gaming time. There. And I'll turn this headphone volume down just a smidge. That is some nice panting happy dog sounds by Indiana-Jonas. These are satisfying noises. Good boy, question mark. My face is obscuring the word play there. Ball not thrown. Dog poop? Is this about picking up dog... You know, I was about to say that the postage stamp on the present looked kind of like... Oh. Hey, buddy. Let's just do some tricks to warm up before we start playing fetch. Show me how long you are. Stretch! Hold up. Okay, I am holding up. 8 feet long, not bad. Now sit. Look. I did nothing. Sweet. Now look at the ball over there. Look. Okay. Look. Oh, you turn the crank. Use the crank. I see a fire in those... I'm not sure I understand these controls. I see a fire in those eyes. You seem so ready, so go get that ball. Okay, let me, Okay. Alright. Interesting. So whichever way I'm turning my head is a way that I can stretch. And I can push down to de-stretchify myself. Dog bone. Dog bone. Dog bone! Oh, you're hungry, huh? Eating will help you grow longer, which will help you cross that gap to the ball. So keep going. And keep growing. Okay. Is that a note? No, I guess it's just a window. Is that the end of my tether? Okay, I was able to get there. Can dogs eat apples? I forget if dogs can eat apples. He seems to like it. Okay. Yep. Yep. Oh boy. I don't know how to... You're stretchy. Eat. 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 Oh, okay. What's up here? This is a bizarre game, but I like it. This area seems mysterious. How do I get down? Stretch, stretch, stretch. Just call me Armstrong, because I'm a stretch. Apple. You're so much longer already. I gotta say, the ability of a dachshund's tummy to turn food into length is astounding. Anyway, the rest of the food is trickier to find. Remember, food could be hidden inside anything. Use that snout of yours to spot hidden or far away food. Press B. Food. A sniff radar. Is there one, like, hidden in the upper left there? Interesting. Well, let's... First things first. No. Yeah, okay. Can we... Yeah. Sniff radar. Okay, I think there's food right in front of me. That's the spot. Try to muck around a bit there. Hold A to search and use objects. Okay. Ah, a dog bone. Wonderful. Is there more? I really feel like there's more here. Oh, maybe I'm... Okay. This pile of boards never stops giving. Okay. Alright, I think I finally cleared out all of the food from there. Interesting. This is such a weird aesthetic, but I'm here for it. Okay, so just gotta go down. Start going down. Start going down. Trash can. Trash can, maybe? Yes. Yes. Is that all? That can't be all. I refuse for that to be all. But I guess that is all. Okay. Yeah. So I think that thing is saying one more food object, and I'll be able to. Yeah, 15 feet long. Hello. Hello. I'm just slinky my way across the ground. Ooh, ooh. Okay, there's some food up there. Yep. Yeah. I think that's enough munching for now. It's never enough. You should be long enough to cross that gap now. Well, if you say so. Oh. If I just inch a little closer. Okay. Is there anything hidden? No. What? Why do you have, like, a dangerous bottomless pit in your backyard? Anything over here to find? It's a pretty little flower. Okay, I guess there's nothing. What a good boy. Oh? Is it poopy time? I don't want it to be. This is... In a certain way, this is upsetting. But it's okay. Eight feet. 93%? Was there more I could have stretched? P journal? Why? I'm not sure I want to click on this. Sniff around in levels. Oh, with a droplet to discover the creatures of the world. Okay, alright. Gotta be real, this is a little too... I'll do one more level. Alright, where are you throwing that now? Whoopsie, I threw the ball the wrong way. You better hurry to get it, because my old dog loves to play fetch. He always shows up when I toss a ball. He will apparate any minute. So fetch. Fast. You have an old dog? But your old dog is still alive? What? Is he not your dog anymore? Okay, I'm going to assume that I need food to get across. Apple, 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 apple. Are you food? Is that mayonnaise? Okay. Yeah. Is that pumpkin? I thought for a second it was an onion, which I don't think are good for dogs. Granted, I'm not sure this is a dog in the traditional sense. Ham. Can I not? Oh. You can only eat that with the search function. Well, that's a bone. I want to... Okay, well, I guess I can't take it. Whoa. So, one way that you could play this... there are two ways to play this. One way is to try to get as long as possible, as fast as possible. The other way to play is to say, what is the shortest length I can go to cross that gap? I guess I can't. Come on. Okay, I've still got a minute and a half fish here. What are you? 19. I'm 20 feet long. Let's see your old dog do that. How much food can I get? There's more food in this level than I thought there would be. Or more plentiful food, I guess. Oh no, I'm stuck. How do I get down? This is a delightful mechanic. I do have to say that. And I think, you know, as much as a prude as I am, I do actually think that there's something funny about the using dog poop and pee smells as a mechanic. Oh boy, I need to hurry. Can I get down there? No. Coming up here might have been a mistake. Oh boy, okay. Come this way. No, no, no. Alright. Go there. Oh man, I've wasted 15 seconds just trying to get out of there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. I've spent too much time. Oh no, the old dog is gonna get the food. The old dog is gonna get the food. Okay, okay. I don't need that last apple. Or do I? Okay, okay. Better hurry, better hurry. No. Nope, no. Oh no. That's my old dog. He's jealous beyond belief. He's coming for you now. So hurry, bring me that ball. Come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. No. Good boy, you fetched the dog. Oh, did I forget to mention my old dog is a ghost? Ha 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 ha. Well, now it's poopy time. All right. This game is a delight. This game is a delight. I've only played the first level. We're not counting the tutorial level 0, but this game is a delight. I'm definitely going to play more of this, at least on my own time. I don't know if I'll play more as a video. That was a lot to take in a short amount of time. Okay, but mechanically, this is a fun game. Using the crank to stretch the dog out and like find places where you could secure purchase on items with your forward paws to then drag your hindquarters towards you. That was a really nice mechanic. Using the crank as a kind of aiming device to stretch yourself, and finding stuff to eat. It was a nice little surprise using the sniffing mechanic to eat the large bone of ham. It's kind of weird that I couldn't eat the bone. Maybe I could have eaten the bone, and I just didn't input the right commands. Maybe that's why I only got 94%. Maybe I could have gotten a better final poop score. I hate saying that word, but that's why some people will find it funny. So anyway, this game, it's silly, it's delightful, and it's fun, and I'm going to play it more, even though it makes me super uncomfortable. I don't know if you'll see me playing it at all, though. Thanks for watching! I'll see you next time I do a video. Bye! Oh, man.